off the board.
Oh yeah.
And my leg.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing at R&M Paintball and Airsoft in the snow. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Well, if you want it, we can go over to the castle thingy. Look over there.
You can go wherever. There's more cover that way, isn't there?
Yeah. Oh. Do you get hit?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be joking me. I'm not walking through that. That's a pricker. Go over to the castle and see what's what. People over there. Okay, I think there got a couple guys just straight that way. Like
that right there, there might be something.
This guy right behind that barrier right there. I definitely hit him, but he didn't feel it. Over. Oh, there's a yellow right there.
On top?
Is he? I got him. No, he's just through a bunch of branches. There's another one right there.
Oh, he's walking.
And there's a guy up top. I'm not sure whose team. There's a guy up top over there. I might have hit him, I don't know. Headshot. Yeah, they're all through the branches, like they're through the brush over there.
All the way over there?
Yeah, like to your left. Hit.
Ow!
Oh yeah.
Moving on to the next match of the day, which was Domination.
Sorry. You can't put your barrel through the hole like that. I don't know. Overshooting it a little bit. I don't think they'd feel it through the brushes. Whatever. Don't want to shoot them coming right out of this one like they did to us last game. Grenade!
Whoa, slippery.
This guy right in there.
Yeah, I just shot him.
Alright, there's another guy shooting. Got him. Bang bang. Hit. Hit. Oh, whatever. They're pushed in there.
My team's objective is to take the structure to the right to regain control of the map.
Is he on our team or not? If he's not, I'm gonna... Yeah, we need to keep guy right there. There's a guy over to the left too, pushing through that stuff.
Oh, we got hit.
Thank God. But if you want to, there's a guy I think in there.
Okay.
If you want to push
move
him.
up to where I'm looking,
Mm-hmm.
straight onto that red cone. And I'm gonna try to shift over and we'll bound. All right, here. If you want to move up to that cover up there.
Hey, just watch that to the left.
Oh, let me reload. Let me reload back up.
Yeah. All right, if you want to, I think there's a guy in there in the yellow. He might be in there.
Oh shit! I'm getting fired at.
All right, okay. I think there's some people. Oh, that was close. Guy on the left. Shit, I gotta reload. Okay. There's another guy in there. I got the other guy in there. If you're pushing for it, you gotta do it now. One in.
Yeah, no, there's an auto guy way over there.
Yeah. No, it's still red. We got...
Oh, we're winning?
Yeah, we're winning. There's still that guy way off there. Guy right there. Yeah. Still sitting there, camping with the thing, trying to hit us from that.
Yeah, he got me.
Who's in the castle?
No idea. I don't think that. Oh, it's yellow.
It's yellow?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely yellow. Okay, there's a guy right in there. He's gonna try to kill me if I push anywhere to the door.
Where?
It's in that building right there.
In front of the bathroom?
I don't want to kill him right out of spawn now. I want to give him like some time to do shit.
Oh, we got castle in there. Don't know that roof.
Did you get him?
No.
Well, he got by somebody.
Oh, he killed that guy up there.
Did? Oh, what's
Yeah.
that? Okay, well,
That looked like a guy.
I only got one mag left, so. Okay, there are multiple. Oh,
You hurt?
yeah.
Sorry.
Ah, you're good. Yeah, you're not hitting me, buddy. Oh, you hit him with that shit? No way. No way I hit him with that shit. That curved right into his head. Did I not hit him? Sorry, buddy, if you walk out, you're dead. Sorry. Okay. He was not calling it for a while. Hey! 30 seconds.
I make one last final push before the end of the game. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If not, then don't. See you guys in the next one. Peace.